This long line of cars is a good sign for Bali. Tourism conditions in Bali are starting to improve after COVID, for example, when I visited the Bedugul Botanical Gardens. Queue at the counter for up to 30 minutes. Strict security by the police and security before arriving at the tourist location ticket counter. There seems to be post 1 and post 2 to guard. Inspection of vehicle passengers is carried out one by one, to ensure visitors wear masks. Finally, after waiting 30 minutes, arrived at the ticket counter. For 8 people, the entrance ticket costs 260,000, includes car parking and 1 bottle of hand sanitizer. Bedugul Botanical Gardens, very suitable for relaxing on holidays, with family or girlfriends. Here the air is cool, the sun does not feel and it is very calm. No annoying sound.